Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by preparing both devices. Connect your iPad with a reliable Lightning or USB-C cable to your computer and open iTunes immediately. This establishes the communication channel. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on the iPad and in iTunes so purchases and sync settings match. Once iTunes recognizes the device, choose Trust on the iPad when prompted. This step authorizes the computer and prevents future pairing problems. Do it now, before syncing. Now you configure how content moves. In iTunes, click the device icon to open Summary. This view gives you backup and transfer controls. Scroll through Music, Photos, and Apps tabs and check the boxes for the categories you want to sync. This tells iTunes which data to copy and why. If you prefer wireless convenience, enable Wi-Fi sync here. Then your iPad will appear in iTunes whenever on the same network. Make deliberate choices to avoid overriding important content. Finish by initiating the transfer. Click Apply and then sync and watch the progress bar. Don't disconnect mid-process because partial syncs can corrupt playlists or settings. After syncing, make a local backup in the Summary tab so you can restore quickly if needed. Backups protect against data loss. If your iPad isn't detected, try a different cable, restart both devices, and update iTunes or drivers. This simple troubleshooting resolves most connection failures and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.